than 50 years, Viking Plastics has provided injection molding and value-added assembly services. Our headquarters in Corey, Pennsylvania, and facilities in Kentucky and Indiana serve customers throughout North America. Our partnerships with Polycast in China and Injaquali in Brazil allow us to serve customers throughout the world. Our locations house more than 100 injection molding machines, ranging from 50 to 720-ton molding. We also offer internal tool build capabilities. Viking Plastics has established a culture of lean manufacturing and continuous improvement. We hold daily drumbeat meetings that help every employee think like a process engineer. Thanks to our team, we exceed customer expectations. For example, our PPM defective rate is less than 1, and we strive to have an on-time delivery rate of over 99%. State-of-the-art technology and our world-class lab allows us to maintain tight tolerances. Our coordinate measurement machine confirms part specifications, and the shape grabber produces a full scan, showing any possible improvements. Viking Plastics sets the standard for quality injection molded parts in a number of industries. Viking is excited to be a part of the electrification and autonomous vehicle revolution. Our automotive functional products improve efficiencies under the hood and dash, reducing weight with metal-to-plastic product conversions and lowering costs. Viking Plastics helps customers in the automotive industry efficiently design products, launch programs, and minimize life cycle cost. Viking's product and tooling engineering expertise helps our fluid handling customers improve efficiency and eliminate leaks. Product examples include battery cooling components and ducts. Other applications include managing and sealing fuels, oils, lubricants, coolants, and filtered air. These parts can be in extreme heat and cooled environments, as seen in many of the new technology electrified vehicles. In the HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industry, Viking produces a variety of caps, external covers, brackets, internal structure components, kinematic gear sets, and custom molded components to minimize leaks, reduce warranty claims, and improve assembly line processes in the HVAC industry. We also produce parts for residential HVAC systems, helping with new products that reduce labor needed to build homes. Our tonnage range allows us to meet a variety of plastic component needs. Our diverse industry portfolio includes components for industrial applications, including filter housings, battery casing, appliance, and specialty packaging. At our tooling division in Jeffersonville, Indiana, we offer internal tooling capabilities, including new tool build, maintenance and repairs, imported tools, and engineering changes. We offer years of injection mold design experience and support customers from initial part to full mold design. Viking Plastics capabilities include a variety of assembly techniques used at multiple phases in the manufacturing process. We provide full-service contract manufacturing spanning a range of needs, from simple to complex assemblies. We provide insert molding, where metal components are placed into the mold cavity and plastic is molded over the inserts, creating a single part. Insert molding reduces assembly cost and enhances part performance. Viking deploys cameras, pressure decay test, robotics, transducers, sensors, probes, and other techniques to verify customer requirements are met. We utilize ultrasonic and vibration welding to join components together as part of the assembly process. Viking Plastics also helps our clients eliminate the use of cast metal to reduce weight with our metal-to-plastic conversion solutions. And Viking Plastics' experienced program management team always makes sure your project is a success.